and asked me to go with him. Oh, he waited all this time. He says, when he got in the car, he got me in the car, opened the door, got me in the car, went around, got in. First thing he says, I got my chance. I said, chance for what? To ask you to go with me. I said, you got a girlfriend. I never liked that husband. I said, what'd you go with her for? He said, pastime. I said, I know, the only thing I ever did was kiss her. So when we got ready to go home, we went back in the building, in the little house that we was at, neighbors of Almonds, and he wanted to bring me home. I said, no, you can't. I said, my mother always told me, what you go with, you come home with. He said, can I see you tomorrow? I said, Mommy, will let me go 15? So I lied to her. I said, Mama, that morning, Sunday morning, we got up, got dressed for church. I said, Mama, Nehi's having a birthday party. It was to be all right, and Miss Smith carries me up to her house, but Forrest Bunker from her house to walk to Harold's house. She said, what do you want to go with that for? I said, Nehi's birthday, which wasn't. But she said, well, you can go. That was the beginning of Grandpa's my starting. And he never went back to Murray. He brought me home that evening at about 6 o'clock. And we sat on this porch with Mom and Daddy. We talked. 9 o'clock, they went to bed. And so I said to Harold, I said, I guess you better go home. He said, can I see you Wednesday? I said, yes. So that day, Wednesday morning, I washed my hair and everything, and painted my fingernails. And Tom aggravated me because he was 17. And he says, you must be getting dressed up for Harold to come back. I said, shut your goddamn mouth. You want Mama to let him come? Oh, he said, I won't say no more. I said, yeah, he's coming tonight. He came on Tuesday night about 7 o'clock, Wednesday night, and he came right on. Never did stop coming. We were together 21 months. He asked me 3 times to marry him. Like Fred. He asked me when I was 15. He asked me when I was 16. I said, I got to go to school some more. He asked me when I was 17. I said, yes. So that was it.
Then you still have a Harold.
We still got a Harold.
Right here.
But he's got to be good like his daddy.